are movements so perfect, you'd hardly think they were made by humans.
Here's Michael at the foul line. A shot on Elo. Good! The Bulls win! They win! There's never anything quite like the first NBA championship. 1 second, it's over. And deliver your NBA World Championship. The San Antonio Spurs win their first ever NBA championship.
Don't ever underestimate the heart of a champion.
Way to hold on. And the Miami Heat are champions of the basketball world.
This is for Daddy. I'm very happy.